ACO Hygienic Gully is getting an update. First, the redesigned FAT support ring makes installing and maintaining the foul air trap easier than ever. Clearly marked, leak-safe, and retrofittable with older gullies. Second, the new gully outlet ensures full compatibility with any push-fit piping system and prevents incorrect placement and leakage, typical for pipes with a longer socket. Third, the integrated spacer now comes as standard. This simple yet clever addition ensures a flawless installation of every gully top or channel. Fourth, meet DryFast, an optional accessory that blocks odors even when the trap is empty or has dried out. And finally, the enhanced ACO brand features in signature red ensure the ACO brand is always visible. The new ACO Hygienic Gully. Easy to install, easy to use, easy to recognize. ACO. We care for water.